Hey friends, if you're visiting Panama City with kids and wondering if an Embera Village tour is worth it, then this review is for you. This was honestly one of the most meaningful experiences of our trip, and let me tell you why. We booked the excursion through Sandblast Dreams, which was an amazing company to work with, and they picked us up from the hotel at La Campana in the old Panama City. We went to Chagres National Park, and they have a little museum where kids took pictures, and then we boarded the boat that took us on the Chagres River to the jungle. The drive from our hotel in the old Panama City to the Chagres National Park was about an hour. We had an English-speaking tour guide from Sandblast Dream who met us at the hotel and brought us to this area with many canoes and the representative from the Emberá tribes. After about a 20 to 30 minute boat ride in the canoe, we arrived at this spot where we parked our boat. It was kind of like a beach on the Chagres River, and then hiked for about 20 minutes to get to this amazing waterfall. Now, surprisingly, the pool at the bottom of the waterfall was not cold like it usually is when you are in a waterfall area. It was very refreshing. It was pretty warm, and it was just lovely to be able to hang out there for a little bit. We stayed here for about half an hour and then hiked back to the canoes. Our guide and the tribe guides were excellent. They were lovely. They did not rush us to leave earlier. But pro tip, bring closed-toe shoes. Do not wear flip-flops because you will be walking through water, through rocks, uneven terrain, and so it's a good idea to bring closed-toe shoes so you don't sprain your ankle. Then we got on the boats again, and just a short ride away, we got to the Embera Village where the women welcomed us with beautiful singing. Sandblast Dreams keep their groups small, and so for our family of 4, we had 2 additional adults who were with us for the entire trip, plus our tour guide and 2 tribe members who also helped us navigate the Chagres National Park. When you arrive to the Embera Village, your group is assigned a hut, and in that hut you will meet a representative from the tribe who will tell you all about their history, their culture, traditions, crafts they're making, how they live their lives up in the mountains of the Chagres National Park without electricity. It was quite amazing. The lady spoke her native language, tribal language, and also Spanish, and she even spoke some English. After the presentations, all the people joined under the main hut where the tribal women performed their traditional dances and the men were playing traditional music. After their performance, they asked everybody to join them, and there was this one big party where everybody was basically dancing with the locals. Now, while we were having fun with the locals, the other tribal members were hard at work and they prepared lunch for us. We had fish that was caught in the Chagres River, and that was made in a kitchen with banana leaves, and we were also given fruit. The fish was one of the best fishes I have ever tasted.
You can smell?
Lemon leaves.
Lemon leaves, smell? This is a natural way to wash your hands.
Oh, wow.
You can smell?
Wait, does it actually like clean
lemon
your...
leaf I soak
Wait, but does it
and
actually
just
clean
wash
your hands?
your hands.
It does for them. So this is the lemon leaves water.
Vamos a compartirlo todo igual.
Can I just wash my hands?
Okay, all of
a lot
the
of fruit for you guys also,
a lot of fruit for all of you. You can say,
this is a cassava.
this cassava or yuca, and please, each one of you, please take a dish.
Just be careful
sure.
with the bones with the kids. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
This
So this
is
all
fresh
healthy.
tilapia
This is
from
actually
the
catch of the day.
Chagres River. Catch of the day. Wild, not processed.
Is it the time of the year? Or is it always like this? It's just such a beautiful day today. The temperature and the humidity, it's not bad today. Is it because we're in dry season now, or?
You know, every day it's different.
Every
Right
day
now
is
it's
different.
actually raining in the city.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How do you like it, Mason?
Super good. The fries are awesome. Well, they're not actually fries.
They're Yukon.
They're healthier fries. So good.
And this is the kitchen where they prepared our fish in the banana leaves, and everything was basically prepared with natural fire. And after lunch, if you want to do a little shopping, the Embera villagers were selling their crafts that they are making with their hands. Overall, we highly recommend this tour if you are around Panama City with your kids. This was one of the highlights of our trip. The Embera community really put a lot of thought into the way they run this. From being in a canoe to taking you for a little hike, the waterfall, and then teaching you about their culture, giving you excellent lunch, some performances. It was just one of those relaxing days that was filled with so much knowledge and feel-good energy. And the Sunblast Dreams was an amazing company to work with. If you want to know where to stay with kids in Panama City, watch this video next.